Welcome to this complete Kotlin course. First of all, the reason I'm making this course all about Kotlin is because I will be releasing a new Jetpack Compose course very soon. So Jetpack Compose is a library for creating beautiful user interface for Android applications. But here is the exciting part. It is not just for Android anymore. With Kotlin Multiplatform and Compose Multiplatform, you can now build apps for mobile, desktop, and even the web just using a single code base. And when we build this application, we do so using the Kotlin programming language, which is specifically optimized for creating UIs across all these different platforms. Google has made Kotlin the preferred language for Android development and is rapidly becoming the go-to choice for multi-platform development as well. So this course is intended as a primer for first, if you want to build Android apps and dive into Kotlin multi-platform development. This course will teach you all the Kotlin fundamentals you need to know before jumping into UI frameworks like Compose. But if you are simply interested in learning Kotlin as programming language, maybe you are coming from Java or are new to programming entirely, this course will give you a solid foundation in one of the most modern and developer-friendly languages available today. So let's dive in and start learning Kotlin. Let's say you want to build Android applications like the ones you use every day on your phone. There's a programming language called Kotlin. It's what most developers use today. In this video, I'll break it down for you. What Kotlin is, why is it important? You can start writing Kotlin in just a few minutes right from your browser. So what exactly is Kotlin? Kotlin is a programming language. It is what you use to give instruction to a computer or a phone. Just like we speak English or Ewe, the phone speaks Kotlin or something close to it. It was made by a company called JetBrains in 2017. Google officially said, hey, this is the main language we'll use for Android development. And since then, Kotlin has become the real deal. Now, before Kotlin, most Android apps were built using Java. Java is still around, but Kotlin is cleaner, it is easier to read, it is concise, safe, and even interoperable with Java. And it helps you avoid a lot of common mistakes. It's like upgrading from basic YAM phone to smartphone. Same purpose, but better experience. So big companies like Pinterest, Uber, Netflix, Philips, Adobe, Forbes, all they use Kotlin. So I know most of you are interested in starting right away. You'll be asking, oh, so how do I start? The best part is you don't need to install anything. You can start right here by using something called Kotlin Playground. So open a new tab in your browser and type play.kotlinlang.org and press enter. Yeah, so this is like a digital notepad where you write your code and then you press on this run button and then the computer responds instantly. So you see the message on this line has been printed below. So this is where you'll be writing your code. But this is your code. This is Kotlin code, and then this is where you test. So you press on this run button to test your code, and then you see the results here. So this is your field, and this is the scoreboard, and this is your run button you use to check your scoreboard. So we can change this test from hello world to hello Ghana, and when you run it, this is the results on our scoreboard. So you just wrote your first Kotlin program. Congratulations if you're able to follow me to this point. Later on, when we are ready to build a full Android application, we'll use tools like Android Studio or IntelliJ. But don't worry about those for now. The playground is perfect for beginners. Just explore and have fun. In the next video, we'll learn how to store information like names, age, scores using variable and constant. Trust me, it's very simple and actually fun. If it helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And hey, drop a comment. I want to know why you want to learn Kotlin and I would love to hear that. I'll be hanging out in the comment to reply.